Wow, I should be fucking exploded right now, but I'm alive.
Got a fantastical photo of Luna.
Oh yeah.
No!
What?
Atlanta was just named the most educated city in the United States.
You're lying.
Yeah, there's no fucking way.
What would be the most educated? Probably some shit like fucking, I don't know, North Dakota or some bullshit.
They were like
Islands.
Boston. There you go. That was me riling Luna up moments before I left earlier today.
Fire.
Leah. Did I talk to Penny? Yep, talked to everyone. Cool. Hopefully these melons will be done tomorrow, maybe? Look at my fucking cat. Oh, he got up. He's just squashed into the floor. Yes! Oh, hello, Robin. I can talk to my scarecrows. What the fuck?
What are they telling you?
They tell me how many crows they've scared off.
By the way?
This one's scared off 2 crows. This one's hasn't done his fucking job. This one's scared off 5 crows.
Scarecrow. Probably the most apt name ever.
Shard crow.
Scarcrow. Scarcrow. Oh
Yep.
my gosh, it's a scarcrow.
I think fucking President Eisenhower said that.
He said, oh my gosh, it's a scarecrow. Is that
Yeah, that are, honestly, that's some Bush would have said. So. I love Bushisms. I care for every single American in this country. Now watch this drive.
That's pretty hard though.
True. Hello, cat. I need one of these. Have a poppy, yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna make like 30 gorbunglian dollars. I love Franklin.
Every day and never ends to say make their meaning come true. Fire. Why is he so like shell shocked?
You see? Well, because he said, told the missus I was going fishing, but I was actually going to Boomtown. That's why, man.
Sorry. I didn't know it was dark humor.
Yeah. But bro, I just made so much money. In the last 2 days, I made 23 grand.
That's like nothing though, compared to me.
Makes sense. So do you like to decorate your farmhouse? Yes.
No.
Maybe.
I like to decorate my vans with paper and chains.
Right. Victor, where's your fucking mom at? Olivia. Cheer. Yeah. Basement. Victor, where's your fucking mom? Oh, there she is.
What if his name was Franklin D. Coomerbelt and he...
He lost me.
Well, let me find you. Where'd you go?
Oh, fuck. Okay. I need 4 hearts with Lydia, 1 heart with Jody, 1 heart with Caroline. Okay. Are any of their birthdays coming up? No. Well, it can't be winter. I guess if I just talk with them every day, we'll eventually just get it. Pierre, where's your fucking wife? Ah.
Then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like
Oh,
I
Jody.
love.
What in the world am I gonna make for dinner? I don't fucking know. Where's Haley at? I'm going to the beach.
You joke,
Haley.
Yes.
Wait, am I... Okay, I'm at 10 hearts with her. Hold on. Okay, I can have sex with her. Jesus fucking Christ.
Birds don't sing, they just...
So she just has to be at her house.
Birds don't call, and they never tell you why. That's just how they say goodbye.
He's working on my pickaxe. Oh yeah. Willie open?
Actually, so...
Kelly, it's so hot. Okay, Haley, go back to your house. Go back to your house. No, don't go see Alex. No! Go back to your house. Have I talked with? Yeah. What goose does Caroline like? Jody. What are her gifts that she likes? All fruit except spice berries. She loves diamonds though. Oh, she loves summer spangles? I think I have one of those. Fuck, bitch. So I could give her one of her loves. Caroline.
What it is that keeps me from letting you go. You know what I thought? I guess I got one.
Her birthday's winter 7. Birthday's fall 11. Okay. Hello, Dudley. Do have a summer spangle. And she likes, or she loves diamonds, but she likes all fruit. Give her that. Is that count the? Yeah. Okay, both. So where are they at? Caroline is up here. Jody is where? No store. Hey, Jody.
Fill with my breast. Never find him on the second floor. Under the bed.
Where's Caroline? Hey, Caroline. Here's a flower.
Take a second.
Okay, so she should be. Today the second day of the trap movie. Yep. Talk to everyone I need to today. Yeah. Shit for her. What about Caroline? She likes daffodils. I could do that. Oh, proficiency. I like cat.
Just
If there's ever a day that you want to ask someone for their hand in marriage, you need to wear me. Okay, cool.
Bum, 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 bum. Understand the color of one. Did I?
Oh, that's right. I don't need to give a gift to Haley today. So I'll give that one to her and... Shit, what do I have for Penny?
And I have yours.
Oh, cool.
Fuck him.
Alright, bro.
Am I cute? Or am I poop?
Something.
I watch TV with
Where's Penny?
the world.
And Olivia's in here. Hey, Olivia. Look at this.
That I've lied.
Oh, what the fuck? She said, here's a little spending money. Go buy yourself some ice cream. And she gave me a bar of gold.
Now you give it back to her later on.
You're so... This is so right. Because she loves gold. Oh my god. Just gotta
It's
find
like, hey, babe,
now.
I think you'd like this tie.
Yes. I just can't get over that fucking picture of Haley. Jesus. Christ. Where's Penny? Hey, Penny. Here you go. Thank you. I really love this. Hello. Give me a hug. Oh, do I have 6 hearts with her now? Penny needs to be in location. Okay, so it's back in that fucking trailer. Ugh.
1979. Never had the time. This is crazy. I'm listening to 1979, and the fire rate of my gun is matching it flawlessly. Just matching the tempo
That's open.
to perfection. And we don't even care.
Jody lives here? Oh yeah, there she is. Hey, Jody. Why does her kid look so fucking displeased? Jesus. I should give them both gifts to... So she likes daffodils. She looks fruit. Right. I should still have like 1,000,000,000 daffodils. So I hope in Penny's 6-heart event she gets her ass beat by her mom.
Praying, actually.
Yeah. You know.
I want nothing more than to see that bitch get her ass.
Yeah, I want to see her get a fucking wallop. I mean, here, I can just read what hers is.
More like strangers who could be
What? What? This is fucking stupid. All it does is she asks you to fucking try a recipe she made. Okay, so now I have the 1 heart with Caroline, and I just need the other heart with Jody. Where the fuck is Penny? She die?
Don't feel right. Not good neighbors, they all like strangers who could be friends.
How does the polyamory... When your spouse moves in with you, the way that they do it is half the room is decorated by them, and the other half is yours to decorate, and it'll just be a copy of what their room normally in like their house looks like. I don't know how that works with the polyamory mod. Be like a fucking rainbow? Shit. Where is Penny?
No, we'll do a rainbow kiss.
Yeah.
Not a rainbow kiss is?
Gay.
Look up rainbow kiss, bro.
I talked to Penny today. Yeah.
I want to do a
rainbow kiss. Oh!
Yeah.
Wow. That's in their mouths?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, right, my pickaxe. There's no way I make it to there before he's closed.
Dude, my stink is overwhelming right now. You want to smell?
How would I smell it? You're gonna fucking bottle it up and send
It's
it
through the mic. That's how bad it is.
My God. It's not familiar with this kind of game.
Yeah, anime conventions don't stand up to me.
Oh, Jesus. Fuck.
That might be worse than a Magic the Gathering tournament.
God almighty, dude. Oh, she's at Maru's house. Maru's really big.
You know what's funny about this?
What?
I'm winning this run, so I have to mute like 90% of it.
You fucking... Yep.
love having builds that I just fucking one-tap everything by the end.
Yeah.
Boom.